Well, good evening, everyone. This is Mike Bass back again with another forecast update for you for this December the 3rd, 2024. I'm hoping everybody had a great Tuesday out there so far. Everybody has a great Tuesday evening. Hope everybody continues to stay safe and well, and also enjoy the weather because it's the only weather you got. Okay, in tonight's video, we're going to be taking a look at the wide view of the United States, Eastern and Tropical Atlantic, Eastern Pacific. The Western Tropical Atlantic, excuse me, and Eastern Pacific, getting it mixed up there. But anyway, as you can see, there's not much activity moving around across much of the United States. There's a little clipper system moving across Montana, down in a portion of Wyoming. Got another little system up here moving across the Great Lakes region, kind of diving southeast. May affect portions of the northeastern United States with some winter weather. We'll talk about that in the current watches warning advisory map when we get to it. You can see we got a little system here moving into Central America, bringing some heavy rain in that portion of the country, and also you got a lot of activity starting to develop in the Eastern Pacific, stretching from the west coast of Central America, stretching back over toward Hawaii, and then we got another system here fixing to move into the west coast. Should affect Washington and Oregon State as it continues to move in that direction. Alright, if you have not subscribed to my channel, make sure to subscribe. Also like these videos, share these videos, and let's continue to get the show on the road here, folks. Alright, you can see here we got a lot of winter weather going on from up here from Maine down to New York State, to Pennsylvania, also portion of Ohio, Great Lakes region, over toward Wisconsin, Minnesota, through the Dakotas, southeast Canada, with some snowfall with pockets of heavy snow there as well, over northern Michigan, the portion of Ohio, Pennsylvania, New York State, also into Maine as well. The purple area, this is winter weather, some mixed precipitation, that is, stretching from eastern Maine down towards the Delaware, New Jersey area, down into western North Carolina, eastern Tennessee, Kentucky, back over toward Indiana, Illinois, also in the portion of Iowa, and also in the Wisconsin and Michigan regions as well. A little bit of shower activity along coastal areas of the northeastern U.S. Alright, we got some shower activity stretching from Kentucky down to Alabama, back over to Arkansas, with thunderstorms and showers from Oklahoma to Mississippi, southwest Alabama, Louisiana, the Gulf of Mexico, and also central and eastern Texas. A little bit of shower activity along coastal areas of Florida. We got a few pockets of mixed precipitation in New Mexico and Arizona, and also got some shower activity along the coastal areas of Washington State. A little bit of snow over northern Montana there as well. Otherwise, expect fair to partly cloudy skies in this region that has no precipitation falling. Alright, this is your Thursday outlook here. As you can see, we got some snow flying again from northern Maine all the way down to portions of Kentucky, Tennessee, West Virginia area, back to Ohio, to Michigan, northern Wisconsin, a little bit over into the Dakotas. We got mixed precipitation up here from Maine all the way down through Delaware, DC, Virginia, back in western North Carolina, eastern Tennessee. Pockets of heavy snow from up here in northern Maine through New York State to Pennsylvania, portion of northeast Ohio. Alright, we got some showers and storms stretching from western Georgia through Alabama, Mississippi, Louisiana, the Gulf of Mexico, portions of northeastern Mexico, also into Texas. Some shower activity in West Texas and northern Mexico with mixed precipitation in New Mexico and also in Arizona. We got some mixed precipitation over in Washington and Oregon State with some shower and thunderstorm activity along coastal areas. Otherwise, expect partly cloudy skies to fair conditions across the remainder of the forecast area. Alright, let's move on to the current watches warning advisory map for your location across the nation. Alright, you can see we got a lot of winter storm watches, winter weather advisories stretching from Maine to New York State, all the way down into western New York State, portion of Pennsylvania, West Virginia, also over in Michigan, winter storm warning for northern Michigan, winter weather advisory, winter storm watches over here in portions of Minnesota and also North Dakota, wind advisories also for Minnesota, Iowa, portions of South Dakota, also in the portion of Nebraska, same in Pennsylvania over toward Delaware, DC, Maryland, Rhode Island, all the way up towards the Boston area as well. Got some high wind warnings up here in areas of western North Carolina. Freeze warnings in effect for you guys in South Georgia, northern Florida, southeastern Alabama. Frost advisories also for central Florida. Alright, also we have some freezing fog over portions of Nevada, also into California, and also in the portion of Oregon. Also some air quality alerts there as well in Oregon and Idaho. Alright, we got the small craft advisory, gale warning, storm warning stretching from Maine to the Florida Keys, a little bit across southeast Texas. Hawaiian Chain Island got a few red flag warnings, also high surf warning along the coastal areas. Also into areas of Alaska, we have some blizzard warning, winter weather advisories to the north, winter weather advisories to the south, freezing spray warnings to the west, and around the Alaska area we have small craft advisory, gale warnings in effect there as well. Alright, we're going to take a look at the current radar across the nation. This is mainly for the northeastern United States because that's where the precipitation is. As you can see, we have precipitation falling from southeast Canada through the Great Lakes region from around Lake Superior, just northeast of Minneapolis, Minnesota, portion of Milwaukee. You getting in on some snow activity. Also over toward Lake Huron, also over towards just north of Buffalo, west of Buffalo, east of Pittsburgh, also New York State, also a little bit toward just around the just north of New York City, and also Philadelphia region as well. Alright, let's move on to the Climate Prediction Center. Temperature and precipitation outlook. As you can see, it's valid for December 11th through the 17th of this year. 2024 was issued today. We got well above normal temperatures expected from Maine all the way to the North Carolina area, and also back out west to Washington State. Then more above average temperatures from Oregon State all the way to portion of Arizona, stretching through the Carolinas back into Georgia, also into portion of Florida as well. Near normal expected from eastern Arizona to western and central Mississippi, Texas and Louisiana, you're included in that. We got above normal temperatures across the Hawaiian Chain Island and across much of Alaska as well. Precipitation 8 to 14 days. Above normal precipitation stretching from Maine to the Carolinas, Florida, all the way back to eastern Texas and Louisiana, you're included. Also portion of Arkansas, Michigan, all to Minnesota, also back over from Montana all the way to Washington, Oregon State, Northern California, Northern Nevada, Northern Utah, and also portions of Wyoming. Near normal precipitation from California up to North and South Dakota, to portion of Texas, and below normal from North Texas all the way back into Arizona, New Mexico, and also south and southern areas of California. Above normal precipitation expected for the Hawaiian Chain Island and much of Alaska, near normal to the north. Alright, well, I hope everybody enjoyed the video. Make sure you subscribe if you have not. Like the video, share the video, consider subscribing if you have not already. And also, we'll catch you back in the next one. Also, enjoy the weather because it's the only weather you got. And take care and have a wonderful Tuesday evening, folks. And we'll catch you back in the next one.